You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we are adding and subtracting irrational expressions part 2. It's all about finding a common denominator, okay? So here, what's the common denominator here? Would you agree that 20x to the third is the common denominator? Because 5x squared goes into 20x to the third, and 20x to the third goes into 20x to the third. So 20x to the third is the common denominator. So this stays the same, so the 3 stays the same. But 5x to the second gets multiplied by 4x to make 20x to the third. So 2 times 4x is 8x. Can you combine 8x with 3? No. Your answer is 8x minus 3 over 20x to the third. What's the common denominator with 1 over 5x to the third minus 2? Wait a minute. There's no denominator over here. Yes, there is. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So what's the common denominator? It's just 5x to the third. Okay. So this doesn't change, so the 1, of course, doesn't change. But 1 times 5x to the third makes 5x to the third. So 2 times 5x to the third is 10x to the third. Can't combine those, so it's just 1 minus 10x to the third over 5x to the third. What's the common denominator here? Common denominator is going to be x to the second, y to the third, right? Okay. So y to the third gets multiplied by x squared. So 1 times x squared is x squared. X to the second, y to the second gets multiplied by y to make x to the second, y to the third. So 1 times y is y. Answer, x to the second plus y over x squared, y to the third. What's the common denominator here? Would you agree that it's going to be x plus 7 times, x minus 7 times x plus 2? So this one gets multiplied by x plus 2. So 7x times x plus 2. This one gets multiplied by x minus 7. So you do x plus 5 times x minus 7. Here you have to distribute 7x squared plus 14x. Here you have to FOIL x squared minus 2x minus 35. Combine like terms. You get 8x squared plus 12x minus 35 all over x minus 7x plus 2. What's the common denominator here? Isn't it just x times x minus 7? Okay. So this gets multiplied by x, so 3 gets multiplied by x. X gets multiplied by x minus 7, so 5 gets multiplied by x minus 7. Now, you're going to get 3x minus 5 times x minus 35, right? Now, don't forget with this minus, it's going to be minus 5x, but it's going to be plus 35, okay? 3x minus 5x is negative 2x plus 35 over x times x minus 7. Would you agree here that x plus 10 is the common denominator, right? X plus, because you have 7x over 1, right? So x plus 10 is the common denominator. I'm going to leave it to you to do the rest from there, okay? Now, check this out. You have 3 over 8 minus x minus 5 over x minus 8. Now, before I go on, would you agree that negative 1 times 8 minus x is the same as negative 8 plus x, right? Negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x, right? So isn't negative 8 plus x the same as 8x minus 8? If I just flip it around, right? X minus 8. So negative 1 times 8 minus x is the same as x minus 8. So here's what we're going to do with this problem. We're going to multiply negative 1 over negative 1 times 3 over 8 minus x. And that's going to give us negative 3 over x minus 8, which is going to now match the denominator here. If this combination is backwards from this combination, you're going to multiply by negative 1 over negative 1 so you can get the denominators to match. Okay? So you have negative 3 now minus 5, which makes negative 8 over x minus 8. Over here, what's the common denominator? Wouldn't it be x minus 1 times x plus 3? Okay, I'm going to leave you to the rest. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da.